Today I'll teach you how to use ViewBag in ASP.NET MVC. So let's start. Now inside the action result method, I'll be making use of ViewBag object. ViewBag allows us to create a dynamic objects. That means we don't have to define the data type. For example, I am here creating a message object which will hold a string value. That means automatically it has been converted into a string variable. So this particular string value will be displayed in the view using ViewBag. In the end, the view function is written which completes the action result method. Now let's move to the view. So now in the view, I'll be making use of razor syntax and I'll be writing the code to display the ViewBag message object. So with this, we complete our programming part. And now it's time to run our project and see it in action. So you can see that the message from the controller is now displaying in the view. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Goodbye.